Hello dear students, it is reasoning trainer. It's just like a game. Here first one, there is a series. Okay, this is similar to the third unit. You have patterns in the 5th standard. So the numbers are arranged to give a series 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 13, and you have to find the next term, consecutive term, the next term. Alright, so the options are 10, 16, 13, 15. You have to reason out the numbers and find the next term. So 12 and the next number is 11, so we have subtracted 1, so 12 minus 1. Okay, the next number 13, so from 11 2 is added, so here minus 1 and here plus 2. Then again from 13 to 12 we have minus 1. So from 12 to 14 the 2 have been added. So you see there is a repetitive minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, and you see 12 plus 2 14. So 14 minus 1, here 13 came. Now we have to find the next term. So what will be there? By the repetitive order it is minus 1 and then plus 2. That's it. So 13 plus 2, 15 is the answer. So similarly you must use to find each series. Here cup, second Roman letter, analogies. So here there will be 4 words. You have to find the fourth one. In the first part there will be 2 parts. This is separated in ratio format. So here cup and lip. And there is bird, and the relating term for that is what you have to find from the option. So cup, lip. What is it? We use lips to drink from the cup. So here bird is there. So bird uses what to eat. So that will be the analogy. We use lips to drink from the cup. And what does bird uses to drink or eat? Bird uses grass. Bird cannot use a grass. Bird also cannot use a forest. Bird uses beak. Bird can use beak. So beak will be the answer. And also bird cannot use bush. So I also explain the second one. Here there is paw and cat. So paw, cat, and the second part is hoof is to what? Okay. So here the paw, which cat has? The cat's legs are known as paw. So paw is the name of the leg that the cat has. So hoof is the name of the leg of which animal? You have to find from the option. Next, letter series. So here there are letters A, M, B, C, L, B, B, K, C, D, J, C. Alright. You have to find the next one. This is similar to the number series which you have to use from there. So A, you have to take the first letter first. So A plus 2, right? A, B, C. So A plus 2 is B and C. Like that you have to take. So A plus 2, B, C. Now here it is plus 2. Okay. So C came. Now from C to B it is minus 1. Right? From C you are subtracting 1. So A, B, C in that order. A, B, C. A plus 2 is C. Now C minus 1 will be B. Alright. So minus 1 B. Now B plus 2. Right. B plus 2 will be C, D. So it is plus 2. Therefore here D we must have to subtract 1. Plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 and minus 1. So by subtracting minus 1 from D you will get C. So the answer is in between the two options that has C here. Now let us go to the second letter. M. Okay, M, L, K, J. So it is in descending order. J, K, L, M, right? In the alphabets, it comes J, K, L, M. So it is in descending order. M, L, K, J. M, L, K, J. So the number M, K, L, J, K, J. So the number before J, sorry, the alphabet before J. So what is it? I. So the second letter after C in these two options, the second letter must be I. Here it is J. So no. Here it is I. Now there are no other options. So this is the option. But you can also check the third one. So third one B, B. B came 2. And then B plus 1 C. C, C. So B, B, C, C. Therefore D. B, C, D. D will be there. So D is there. This is the option. And similarly, find the other one. Essential part. So this is, the word is there, the underline, and it is in apostrophe, colon. So for this one, the word, the dash, other dash must be an essential part. It must suffice this word. A champion could not exist without what? So running, swimming, winning, speaking. Find one in this and put it here. A champion could not exist without running. A champion can exist, right? Without running, without swimming, without winning. A champion will only exist when he wins the running or swimming or in a speaking elocution. So winning, essential. Champion, for the word champion, winning is essential. So the answer is winning. Likewise, find the essential for directory. A directory could not exist without what? Telephone or listing or computer or names.